Hi everyone, Car Spotter 2.0 here. We're back with video 4 of 6 of our unboxing montage. Hey, for this time, we're going to be unboxing the brand new Ford F-150 Lightning. And which has to be an all-electric pickup truck. Now, if either of you guys have seen in this truck, at the Ford dealerships across the country. I know I have. I seen two down at Arc 4 in Oak 1. And I also seen one at the auto show earlier this year. And so, it's a great truck to have. Right now, it's time to get a closer look at our new electric truck. And so, let's go and get a closer look. And here we go. We unboxed it. On the side, it looks like a regular F-150. Only it's electric. There are details in the back, and the F-150 is actually right here. I don't see the lightning on either side, but on the real thing, you will see the lightning badge on it. Right here, this is where electricity will go. And you look at the bottom, there's no exhaust, because this one is fully electric. That's because this is Ford's very first electric truck. So this is actually cool for now, though. But in the coming months, we'll probably be seeing a lot of these. But overall, right through casting, and I kind of wait to see what Maxwell thinks of next. Alrighty, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in our fifth video. We'll be unboxing the new Model Y. Alright, see you guys then.